Shalom my little daisies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope your day's been smelling good. And today, I'm actually making a DIY fidget water snake squishy. So let's go make a water snake squishy, so come. Jesus Christ, I just spilled stuff. This video took a turn. Jeez Louise Christ. That's alright, we'll come clean it later. Alright, but yeah, so today I'm going to be making one of those. My mum doesn't know yet, so I'm just going to do it out of nowhere. Hey Mum, can I please make a water snake?
A water snake? What's a water snake?
It's a fidget. All you need is a bag. So, all you need is actually very simple. All you need is like 2 paper bags. I dropped my cookies, but I'll go pick them up now. Okay, so all you need to do this is 2 plastic bags, any size you want. Oops, I got more than 2. And what we're going to be doing, I'm going to just put this back, is we're going to be putting, like, I don't know, water and like liquid detergent in there. If you don't have liquid detergent, that's okay. You just need 2 plastic bags. I'll get to the point where you need 2. Then you're going to get a cup of water. So when we grab a cup, and when we grab some water, it can be any temperature water, just as long as it's water. So with the water, and why are my hands shaking so much? Now we got some dish soap. We're going to put the dish soap in the water, and I'll tell you about when to stop. So maybe follow along while you're doing this. So just go, ooh. That's enough. Okay, now we're going to put this back. You need a spoon that your parents will let you use to mix it. We're going to be spinning. We're going to be spinning it this way. It's going to be very cool. Spinning it, stirring it, any way you want. I decided to do both just so it's like extra good. Okay, then what you're going to do is you're going to open up your plastic bag. I'm going to need my mum's help with my fingers, so I'm going to get my mum to pour it in. I'll be 1 sec. Don't pour all of it in, just pour. I'll show you just where to pour up to. Mummy, can you pour this in so I don't hurt my fingers?
No, I'm busy, really busy.
So I'm just going to have to do it myself. Hopefully this works out. I'm going to go do it over the sink, so I'll be back 1 sec.
I should let you know, Mr. Rivera thinks you're a payday for him now that you have shared placement and thinks that he can get over $1,000 from a month from you. He is requesting your financial information.
Fill it up about to there and make sure there is no air left in there. And then you're going to just look it up. Ow, I think it's okay. This is not going to be easy.
And wants over $1,000 a month. Never once did he mention to me that he was in any type of situation where he needed financial support, or that he was even filing for
I'm going to get rid of all the air in there. And we're just zip-locking the bag.
And he's paying $475.
Perfect. Now that the bag is zip-locked up and you can play with it, what you're going to do is you can lay it on the counter, grab your other bag, and you're going to put out. And you're going to get the other bag and put it inside the first bag. No, get the first bag and put it inside the second. Ow, my finger, ow. I'll tell you guys what happened to my finger after the video once it's done. Because, you know, oh gosh. Okay, so, yeah, so what you're going to do is you're just going to pop it inside the bag, just like this. this. And then you're just gonna grab the sides and you're gonna pull it like this. You're just gonna, oh sugar, it's sliding out. So you're just gonna slide it in like that, and then you're just gonna go like this. Okay, we're gonna pull it up while I'm doing it. Push that bit down a bit. Oh, and then push this bit down again, and then ziplock it up again. Make sure there's no air whatsoever in the bag, and then you can just seal it up. Oh gosh, I can't even seal it. Okay, there we go, that's better. Make sure there's no air. Put all the air out before you ziplock it, and then you ziplock it up. Alrighty, we're gonna just quickly get this centered. And get all the air out, and with one of the corners, there is so much air in here, so I'm just gonna have to try and get it out in the corner. Okay, hold on. Yeah, the corner's open a bit. No, it's not, never mind. So I'm just gonna get you're gonna have to get all the air out. There's some air still stuck in mine. So I'm just going to quickly push all of that air out. Like that, perfecto. And then you're going to ziplock it up again. And then you're all good to go. It's not a water snake yet, but it will be in a sec. Then you're going to grab the top of the thing, and you're going to roll it downwards. So you're going to roll it in like big parts, just so, there we go, perfect, like this. And now you're going to get some tape. Hopefully there's some tape. We might not have tape. It is pretty easy, you just need tape for it too. We normally have tape, but sometimes they run out, so I don't know if we have tape. Dang it. I have tape in my room. I'll be right back, guys. I'm back, guys. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to get the tape, put them on the table. We're just going to rip the tape. Cool. And rip the tape with the... Okay. Now, we're going to do the same thing again.
Cameras weren't allowed in the dentist, but the girls' appointments went well. We met Corey inside, and he's taking the twins home with him now. And he and Jason seem to get along. You're doing good, Ellie girl. All you guys are doing good.
Alright, doesn't matter what sort of tape, just as long as you do have tape to tape this all together so it turns into a water snake. Okay, there you go. Now you have your own water snake. You may have to tape it down a bit more than that, but then you have your own water snake. You can squish it. It's pretty cool, actually. I like this a lot. I think I have a lot of fidgets. Maybe in the next video I'll do a fidget tour. But since it has been so long since I've posted, you guys are probably confused on when I'm going to be posting again. What am I going to be posting? And when am I going to post? What days? What time? Well, so I haven't figured that out yet, but I figured out what days of the week and how many days a week. I haven't figured out what time yet, so I might just have to keep checking my account. But I think it's going to be about Sunday, and every Sunday and every Wednesday should be good. No, every Monday. Yeah, every Monday and every Sunday. So, yeah, every Monday and Sunday. So I'm just going to put some more tape on this, and yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and hope you have had a great experience with my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!